All right, day 7 warm-ups. Einstein's twin totals here. Which two of the following calculations give the same total? Pretty simple. The first thing you want to do is just go through and answer these expressions to find an answer. What's 4 times 4? 16 over here. 5 plus 4? 16 and 9 match? Nope. 16 minus 2.
2.
14. 2 times 3? Okay. Still no matches. 16, 9, 14, 6. No matches. 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. Another way to look at it is 16 over 2. So 2 times what equals 16? 8. 8. Still no matches. 12 plus 4. 16. Do we have a match? Yes. 4 times 4 and 12 plus 4. I have 16, but let's just make sure. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 3. This is 10 here. And 100 minus 50 is, so 4 times 4 and 12 plus 4 are your correct expressions today because they have the twin totals. 8.